How to set up Apple Pay on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how can you set up Apple Pay on iPhone. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First thing, open up your settings and scroll down to the section of Wallet in Apple Pay. After which, you want to go ahead and click on Add Card. As you click on Add Card, then you'll be able to see the option as what sort of card you want to go ahead and add it. So select debit or credit card. Next thing, you want to go ahead and make sure to enable this permission, so click on continue. As you've done it, so then you want to go ahead and add in the card details, so select enter card details manually at the bottom of the page. On the other field, you want to make sure to enter in the card details, and once done, click on the next in the top right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you also need to type in the card details such as expiry date and then the security code. Moving on, you have to go and read the terms and condition, and if you're sure about it, click on the agree button. Once done, you have to choose the way to verify your Apple Card or Apple Pay. So for that, you want to either select text, message, email or call. So you want to select either one of it and move on to the next procedure. Once you're done receiving the verification code or completing it, so then you'll be able to see the page as where you have to go and enter the verification. So click on complete verification, and now then you'll be taken to the home page where you could go ahead and select whether you want to use it as a default card, or you could simply leave it as it is and click on not now. And then you also once again here toggle the button for all of these, and you've successfully enabled or used Apple Pay in your iPhone. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.